Today, we delve into an exciting topic, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. This compact camera has stirred up a buzz in the tech community, with leaks and rumors offering a glimpse into what could be one of the most innovative devices in its class. Let's dive into the details, exploring its expected features, specifications, price, and potential release date. By the end, you'll have a comprehensive view of why the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 might redefine portable videography. The DJI Osmo Pocket series has earned its reputation as one of DJI's standout innovations. Known for blending portability with professional-grade performance, these handheld cameras cater to vloggers, travelers, and creators who demand high-quality footage in a compact form. The DJI Pocket 3, launched in October 2023, set a new standard with its larger 1-inch sensor, a 2-inch rotatable screen, and vertical filming capabilities. Now, the anticipation for the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is palpable, with enthusiasts eagerly awaiting its potential upgrades. Ergonomic design and display enhancements. Rumors suggest the DJI Pocket 4 will feature a slightly larger and more ergonomic design than its predecessor. At an estimated 140 by 43 by 35 millimeters and weighing around 190 grams, the device might feel bulkier yet more comfortable to hold for extended shooting sessions. A larger 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen with a resolution of 480 by 800 pixels and a brightness of 800 nits is expected. This display improvement addresses common complaints about outdoor usability, offering creators a more immersive and user-friendly interface. Improved button placement and a textured grip hint at DJI's focus on enhanced ergonomics, making it easier for users to control the camera seamlessly. If these rumors hold true, the Pocket 4 will likely appeal to users looking for a device that balances functionality with comfort. Camera capabilities. Raising the bar. One of the standout features of the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is its rumored 1-inch CMOS sensor, promising at least 12 megapixels of resolution. Paired with a versatile f/2.0 lens, this setup is expected to deliver exceptional image quality across a variety of conditions. The expanded ISO range, rumored to be 50 to 6,400 for video and up to 16,000 for low-light scenarios, could make the Pocket 4 a powerhouse for creators shooting in challenging lighting environments. Additional upgrades might include 10-bit color depth, DJI's D-Log-M profile, and HDR video capabilities, ensuring professional-grade footage with precise color grading potential. Cinematic creators will appreciate the potential to record 4K video at up to 240 frames per second, a significant leap from the Pocket 3's 120 FPS. This upgrade would open new creative possibilities, particularly for slow-motion enthusiasts. Enhanced autofocus technology, incorporating phase detection and eye tracking, is another anticipated feature. These improvements could address focus hunting issues observed in earlier models, offering smoother and more reliable subject tracking, especially in complex or low-light scenarios. Advanced stabilization and tracking. Stabilization has always been a hallmark of the Osmo Pocket series, and the Pocket 4 is rumored to elevate this even further. Enhanced gimbal technology, combined with advanced electronic stabilization algorithms, is expected to deliver smoother footage even in the most challenging conditions. This feature is critical for creators who rely on stable videos without carrying bulky equipment. ActiveTrack 7.0 is another rumored highlight. Building on the success of previous iterations, this version is expected to offer improved subject recognition and tracking precision, including advanced eye tracking capabilities. Such upgrades could make the Pocket 4 a favorite among vloggers and solo content creators, simplifying the process of capturing professional quality footage without assistance. Connectivity and AI-driven features. Wireless connectivity is expected to see significant upgrades, enabling faster file transfers and seamless live streaming capabilities. AI-powered tools such as scene detection and automated editing suggestions could further streamline the content creation process, making the Pocket 4 a versatile tool for creators of all skill levels. Battery and power management. Battery efficiency appears to be another focus area for the DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Rumors suggest a reduced charging time of just 25 minutes with DJI's PD charger. While the exact battery capacity remains undisclosed, It's expected to surpass the 1,300 mAh capacity of the Pocket 3. Enhanced power management systems could enable longer recording times, even with the device's larger screen and more powerful processor. Improved heat management may further ensure sustained performance during extended use, addressing another common pain point for portable cameras: creative possibilities and professional features. The rumored capabilities of the DJI Pocket 4 position it as a game-changer in portable camera technology. With sensor and processor upgrades, it's expected to deliver superior image quality, enhanced low-light performance, and expanded dynamic range, making it suitable for diverse shooting conditions. Real-time HDR previews and advanced noise reduction could significantly enhance footage in challenging environments, catering to both casual users and professionals. The ability to record 4K video at 240 FPS could unlock exciting creative possibilities, particularly for those who enjoy experimenting with cinematic slow motion. These advancements, combined with DJI's renowned stabilization technology, solidify the Pocket 4's place as a versatile tool for high-quality video production. Price and release date. Based on DJI's typical release cycle, the Osmo Pocket 4 is expected to launch in late 2026 or early 2027. The anticipated price of $690 for the standard version and $799 for the creator combo places it firmly in the premium segment, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. While the price represents an increase over the Pocket 3, the significant upgrades could justify the investment for many creators. Final thoughts. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4 is shaping up to be a major leap forward for the series. Its larger screen, improved stabilization, and enhanced video capabilities make it an exciting prospect for creators at all levels. While the higher price point and longer wait time might deter some, the rumored features suggest it could be well worth the investment. As always, the success of the Pocket 4 will hinge on DJI's ability to balance cutting-edge technology with user-friendly operation, maintaining the compact form factor that has made the series so popular. With these rumored capabilities, the Pocket 4 has already generated significant excitement among tech enthusiasts. Are you as excited as we are about the DJI Osmo Pocket 4? Share your thoughts and let us know the features you'd love to see in this highly anticipated release. Stay tuned for more updates, and as always, thank you for joining us here at Technology in the Future.